Okay, friend. John. Okay, so they got this light paladin here. I need to counter her somehow. Okay, probably gonna have to go Wusa for immunity against light paladins, provoke, and probably go more for stripping friends buff. Okay, going Skogo. Okay, Wind Paladin. Okay, so going Wind Paladin. Probably go. I'm gonna have to go with something that could destroy or is good against a high HP. So we'll go Fire Phantom Thief, and Kaki. Baiting with Kaki. Hopefully they ban Kaki. Let's see what they pick. Okay, definitely probably gonna ban Skogul. I'm not afraid of Vigor, but just Skogul. We'll probably ban Skogul. See what they're gonna do. Okay, so they ban Kaki, just like what I wanted them to do. Okay, here we go. First battle. Okay, looks like it go first. You know, buff with a stat, buff attack. Okay, I'm gonna try. Should I snipe the Gene first or the Wind Paladin? I should snipe the Wind Paladin. Okay. Ooh, almost killed her. Almost one shot. Okay. Oh. Okay, next battle. Oh, okay. She is a good support. She does a lot of buff and debuffs. So I'm gonna have to go with I'll go more and Bastet, more for stripping, speed lead, Bastet to buff. Let's see what they're gonna pick next. Okay, Tiana and Kaki. Okay, so right now I'm probably gonna ban Kaki, so I'll pick Wind to go against him. We'll go okay with these two. Okay, so as of right now, probably gonna ban Kaki. So I have Water and Wind. Let's see what he picks. Okay, Charlotte. Okay, yeah, I don't know how fast that Tiana is, or don't know how fast Kaki and them are. Might have to go a speed lead. Probably gonna go with some math as a speed lead. We'll probably ban Kaki. Oh, never mind. We'll probably ban Tiana so that she can't strip, just in case they ban my Bastet. If they ban Bastet, I should have some mass speed lead. We should be okay. Okay, yep, they ban Bastet. So we'll go with some mass speed lead. Hopefully we can outspeed them. As long as we start first, we should be okay. Alright, here we go. Okay. Try to see if we can kill something here. Okay, we got one out of the way. Oh, that was close. Okay, we'll get her out of the picture. Probably go try to kill Cocky next. Yep. Okay, next battle. We're gonna do Bastat first pick. Let's see what they're gonna do. Okay. 2 unicorns. Double unicorn, Amelia and Diana. Right now, I probably don't want to fight Wind Unicorn, but Amelia is probably gonna keep buffing, so probably go with the Light Ifrit. Okay. Savannah. Usually Savannahs are pretty fast. So I'm gonna have to pick something that's faster. Or something that is good against wind. Probably go with... Might have to go with Cocky. And maybe like Moran. Yeah. Okay, let's see what the last pick is. Okay, Chew. So Savannah's probably fast already. Probably gonna have to ban Chew so they don't have that speed lead. Okay, so they ban Bastat. We'll go attack buff. Okay, I'm faster. I get to start first. I'm gonna have to attack Diana. Otherwise, her passive is gonna proc. Okay, probably gonna use it on Water Unicorn. Don't need to yet, but just to heal up the team. Alright, we'll do Bastat first pick again. See what they're gonna do. Select the right monsters, see what we got, see what else we want to play with. Ciara and Tableau. Okay, 2 speed lead. Okay, 1 attack bar reducer and 1 bomber. Gonna need coverage for sure. Be good choice to pick Wusa. And we'll go Vertiheal as well. As of right now, we're probably gonna ban Tableau. Okay, Praha and Jameer, 3 speed lead. Wow, they really wanna go first. Okay. Let's go Kaki and Samaf, just so we have a speed lead. See if they ban Samaf so we could get Bastet and Wusa through. If not, then at least we have a speed lead because they're going speed lead too. So we gotta make sure Wusa, if they don't ban Wusa, at least we have speed lead, so we can at least go first. Okay, so they ban my Kaki. We'll use Smash speed lead too, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna go speed lead. Oh, Praha looks like she don't have that second move to cleanse like Juno, so we should be fine. Alright, and we do start first, okay? Gonna buff. Let's see if we can take anybody out. We'll go with Masha. I might try to get CR out first. Yeah, so we'll put Masha to sleep. Yeah, but I need a debuff so that way I can hit harder. Let's see if we can take Masha out. Can I one shot? Oh nope, almost. Okay, got Masha out. Let's see if we can get. Now we gotta try to get CR out. CR just try to bomb my Wusa, even though my Wusa has immunity on. Wow. Okay, we should be safe here. Should be good. Okay, but that first pick. Let's see what they're gonna pick. Oh, this guy's bronze 3 already, so he already did his 10th placement in battle. Well, Alicia and Savannah right away. Wow, so he already knows what he's gonna pick. Okay, it looks like he's probably gonna pretty speedy. But he is just a bronze 3 though, so we shouldn't lose. Vermos and Fran. Okay. Let's see. As of right now, we're probably gonna ban Fran, so I don't know how fast his team is, so we'll just go Etna and Kaki just in case. Okay, he went Lucian. Okay, so he's probably trying to clean my team. So we'll ban Fran so he don't have speed lead. And if we ban Fran, he won't have attack buff. So we should be okay. Alright. Looks like he banned my Bastet too, so no attack buff for me too. But we should be okay. Okay, let's see if we could take anybody out right away. Hopefully take out his Lucian. Oh, okay. Yeah. He's a bronze 3, so yeah. Okay. Next battle. They're going Ciara. We need Bastet and Wusa. Wusa for immunity against Ciara's bomb. Okay, Trident. Okay, so he's gonna go. His Trident's probably his fastest one right now. Probably gonna go strip and then cleanse. Strip and then cleave. Okay, a lot of dots. Do I need a speed lead here? How fast are they? I probably, yeah. Should I go speed lead instead? Yeah. Okay, go more just in case. We're gonna ban Ciara so they don't have speed lead. The chances are Trident's probably gonna be the first one to go. Let's see if they ban my speed lead too. If they ban more, we should be fine. But if they don't ban him and they ban Wusa, we probably don't. Yeah, they ban Wusa, so we don't have any immunity against their dots. Okay, so we got the first start. We're just gonna do defense break or AoE defense break, just so she can increase her attack bar. Okay, Bastet increase it a little bit more. Vertihill increases some more. Okay, Ethna should almost start to go. We gotta take out Trident. Okay. Okay, got their strip out of the way. Whoa, no immunity, so. Oh, we're in trouble, guys. Okay. Defense break 1. Come on, I gotta move. Just need to move 1 turn and that's it. Wrong monster. But we killed one. Okay. Vertihill. Counter attack. Okay. One more. Okay, we should be fine now. We got it. Take it out. Finish it. Okay, so far pretty good. Next battle. Okay, Kaki. Okay, let's go Bastet. Let's go Bastet and yeah, we'll go more. Bastet and more. 2 water against Kaki. Let's see what they go. Masha. Vertihill. Yeah. You should pick Vertihill. Vertihill and Masha always together is a must-have. You don't pick Vertihill, I'm gonna pick Vertihill. Okay, so he don't pick. He's not picking Vertihill, so let's take Vertihill away from him. Okay, so we're gonna go Vertihill and probably go on another water type. Okay, looks like he's going all fire. Okay, Tiana for stripping. Pretty sure they're using Tiana for stripping, for countering Wusa and Bastet. Okay, Garo. So they want me to ban Tiana so that they could use Garo's leader speed for fire. Okay, they don't have immunity though, so I should go Virat. Yeah. And I should ban Garo so that they cannot use Garo's speed lead. Yeah, because I know they want me to ban Tiana. But we're gonna ban Garo so that they don't get what they want. They don't have any immunity, so Varash should be a good counter for them. Okay. We'll go HP. HP leadership. HP leader. Help Wusa out. All they got is accuracy. Okay. Okay, we do start first. Tiana does have immunity, so let's see if we could take some. Let's see if we could take someone out first before Tiana goes. We're not gonna buff. We're not gonna use Wusa buff. We're gonna wait till after Tiana goes, and then we'll buff. Let's try to take one out. Assuming Masha's gonna be the squishiest one. Okay. Okay, good. We got one out. Okay, now we could use Wusa's buff. We don't need to anymore, but we're just gonna do it. Okay, I won all 10 battles. Let's see what we get here. Okay. What? Fighter 1?